Parkinson's Wellness Recovery is a program that was developed in order to expand upon what's probably best known as Big and Loud. Basically, Big and Loud is very good at treating Parkinson's. However, what we're really trying to do is have an effect on the brain and expanding upon what Big and Loud was able to provide. The advantage for the patient is that we're taking things a step further. What we really want to happen is for there to be change in the brain itself. And by doing so, Parkinson's Wellness Recovery actually provides different ways in order to affect hands, fingers, voice, to encourage what's called neuroplasticity, which will have a change in the effect of the brain. The goals for patients throughout the program is a case-by-case basis. Basically, what I want to know is what's hardest for the patient, and we will tailor the program in order to affect that, whether or not it's getting out of bed in the morning, whether or not it's getting out of a booth at Chili's, whether or not it's standing out of a chair, whether or not it's walking. A lot of patients that I've seen, they have a lot of issue falling backwards. And so the goals are going to be on a case-by-case basis and tailored toward their needs. A patient can expect to be pushed pretty hard, and in that being challenged cognitively, being challenged mentally, being challenged physically. We want to have every benefit in order to have change in the brain, in order to have that neuroplasticity. So you're going to be tired, you're going to be worn out when you come to this, and that is the whole point of it. Vigorous exercise is going to have the most benefit to that neuroplasticity or that brain change to make Parkinson's easier.